Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use ginseng cleansing oil, updated. Begin by applying 2 to 3 pumps to dry skin and massage in circular motions for about 60 seconds to dissolve makeup. Focus on the eye and lip areas gently and avoid tugging. Emulsify with lukewarm water until the oil turns milky, then rinse thoroughly and pat skin dry, following with your regular skincare steps for best results. Ginseng cleansing oil offers more than makeup removal. It supports circulation and brightens skin when used consistently. The formula typically blends light carrier oils like sunflower or jojoba, so you get effective slip without clogging pores. Antioxidants in the oil help protect against environmental stress and aid recovery, making it a gentle yet powerful first step in your routine. Use it nightly or when heavy makeup needs a thorough. Start on dry skin with dry hands, applying the oil and massaging to dissolve makeup and sunscreen thoroughly. Emulsify by adding a little water until the texture changes to a milky lotion, then rinse away debris and residue completely. If you double cleanse, follow with a gentle water-based cleanser, then layer serums, eye care, and moisturizer to lock in hydration and benefits for a balanced, comfortable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.